So this tutorial will show you how to do the love knot stitch above a row of single crochet instead of just a normal chain. If you would like to try this stitch, you can start by chaining a total of 32 plus 1 stitches, and then you can single crochet on every single one of those till the end. We will now begin with the love knot stitch. Make the loop as big as you'd like. Chain 1 and single crochet through the back loop. Repeat this step twice. You will then end up having a total of 3 loops. Turn your work, skip 3 stitches and single crochet into the 4th stitch. You will then proceed to make 2 loops instead of 3 this time. Once again, you will skip 3 stitches and single crochet into the 4th stitch. Please repeat this step all the way until the end. Upon reaching the end, we'll once again make 3 loops. Remember that only at the start of every single row will it be 3 loops that we make, and we will continue by making 2 loops for the rest of the row. You'll then turn your work and you will single crochet into the single crochet from the row before, so the one in the middle, as you can see in the video. You will then create 2 loops. Once again, you will single crochet on top of the single crochet from the previous row. Please repeat this until the end. Upon reaching the end, you will single crochet into the first single crochet from the previous row. The first single crochet, as can be seen from the 3 loops. And once again, you will create 3 loops and continue to do 2 the rest of the way. You should end up with something that looks like this. And that's all. Thank you for watching.